So this year you need to invest $100 in yourself. So just remember that if you have just $100 to invest, you are already broke. So don't be scared of losing those $100 and start investing them into yourself, into your education, into your business, in books, in courses, because the best ROI that I have ever had on every single investment is for the investment that I have done in myself. When I invested in some type of knowledge, when I have invested in some type of course, in some type of new learning, in skills, in something like this, I have seen a really big exponential growth in my income, my business, and my life. So my best advice for you is to invest money into yourself. Don't buy stocks, don't buy crypto, don't buy land, don't buy real estate, even because you cannot buy real estate with just $100. So by spending those money into yourself, acquire new skill, and staying around successful people, you can really increase the chances to have success. You can increase the people that you know, and you can increase your wealth level. Because just think, for example, now I will do the example with 1,000, not with 100. But I bought my first course that it cost me $1,000, and at the beginning I was scared. I was scared of investing those money because I didn't had return, or maybe I didn't knew that I will have a return. And by doing that, I was scared, but I done that, and I've got the best result of my life, because I've spent $1,000 to buy a course from Tai Lopez, and I have pretty much learned how to create and run a successful social media marketing agency. And from there, right now, more than 3 years after that, I have my own social media marketing company. I make money, I live in my own, I have 2 cars, this is the business car, and I'm making more money than the average people in my local area. So this is really great, this is amazing, and I will always go more, make more money, increase my sales. But everything was starting with just a little investment. And before the investment of $1,000, I've just bought a few books. And for me, the best and the first investment that you can do with just $100 are books. For example, Think and Grow Rich, Rich Dad and Poor Dad, How to Make Friends and Influence People, The Next World, Be Obsessed or Be Average. With those 5-6 books, you spend around $100, and I will promise you that if you spend those $100, you will have more money in the future because of the information that you learn inside of those books. You will learn communication, you will learn sales, you will learn how your mind works, you will learn how to think, you will learn how to collaborate with other people, just in 5 easy books. And this for me was my first investment, and was also the investment that made me think bigger and go for bigger investment, go for bigger money, and it pretty much made me go from unemployed at home, fed, living with my parents, with a scratchy car, right now having a great body, living on my own, making more money than the people that I know around me. Yes, there are some people that make more money, but those are my business partners, or are those people that I am learning from. And then, as you can see, now I have 2 cars, I have my own apartment, and I have pretty much a great life. And everything because I've started to read few books, and I want the same that happens for your life. So if you're willing to spend those $100 wisely, without going to the casino, without buying a new car, without buying fancy clothes, I promise you that you will change your life and you will get what you want. But just by investing those money. And then from there, once you start getting some more knowledge, some more information about different topics, you start to create maybe a product or a service to sell to other people. You start making more money, you start investing more money into your business, into your ads, so you can sell more and make more money and grow your business. And it's all about scaling, growing, and then one day you will need to delegate and have a team. Right now, for example, I've just been in a meeting with an agency that I am a partner, and they've pretty much signed a contract that it's 6-figure for the year, a marketing plan, and I am part of that plan for like a digital marketing expert that I do Google ads, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, and then some days, some months, I manage also the organic content of the page. But as you can see, just 3 years ago, I was sitting home without money, without clients, and right now I'm going in front of a client that is able to spend in just 1 year more than $100 just for a marketing plan. This is really credible, and this is really where I want you to go, because if you can just get few clients that are this big and you work maybe with them for 1 year, you have 3 to 4 clients that pay you $100,000. I think that you can be really, really great in life, and you don't have the mind about 30, 50 clients because it's better to have few clients that pay you more money. And by doing that right now, that I have more money, that I have even some money that I can waste. I don't want to say waste, but I want to say that I can invest in something that will not give me an instant return. Now I'm investing in crypto. I've just invested $500 in SafeMoon, and it's going up, it's going down, but it's something that I will plan long term for months or even more than a year to own and keep that coin, and then I will sell it maybe when it will reach a really big spot. But if you want to learn exactly how to buy SafeMoon and what is that coin, watch this next video right here where I show you exactly how to buy SafeMoon coin, and maybe you can invest your first $100 there if you have more money to invest into your education and also in crypto. I see you there.